My name is Chris Bogart. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Burford Capital. In the most basic terms, litigation finance is involving a third-party capital provider in a relationship between a client and a law firm to pursue a piece of litigation. And let's start with a fundamental proposition that's important here. And that fundamental proposition is that litigation claims are assets, corporate assets, just like a receivable, just like any other intangible. You can do with a pending litigation claim for a company what you can do with any other intangible asset. We can, just like a bank, turn around and supply capital to a law firm backed by some of that law firm's assets. Clients want a solution that doesn't involve them writing a check immediately for whatever it is that they're trying to do. Most businesses that I know today will do a little financial analysis before they buy a new expensive piece of computer equipment. Litigation is no different. We were always unhappy about not having more economic alternatives to deal with legal fees. After the financial crisis, clients en masse became increasingly unwilling to accept high, by-the-hour billable arrangements with their law firms. It started small. Much of what we did for our first several years was getting people comfortable with the idea around this. Now that this has become much more widespread, much more institutional, much more accepted, 40% of American CFOs say that they would like, before every piece of litigation is commenced, a financial analysis of the options available to the company, including litigation finance. Clients today are increasingly doing those kinds of analyses instead of just signing up to the single pay-by-the-hour model. What this has also been able to do for some number of litigation partners is to transform them into people who are only bearers of bad news and big costs, to instead having them go into clients' offices and create value, deliver a financial solution that the client possibly hadn't thought of before, even if that financial solution doesn't involve paying the legal fees.